Hello my friends. This is named cozonac. It's a Romanian traditional sweet bread which I made recently, and this is the only bit left after a few days. My parents used to bake frequently at home when I was a child, and the aroma generated in the house when baking was amazing. Now thinking back to these memories, even though I have been a single father for nearly 7 years, I have always liked to offer my boy the same experiences, which he will surely remember as well when he grows up. Aside from the beautiful moments the home baking generates, it provides a special education and a culinary freedom to our children. The other day I decided to make cozonac with walnuts, Turkish delight, this colored jelly. I haven't made any since Christmas because it takes about 4 to 5 hours for the entire process. Now we are in June, so I missed it. I made my shopping list, which was quite simple: flour, eggs, vanilla sugar for a bit of vanilla aroma and to activate the yeast, stevia, which I use as a sugar substitute for a healthier diet, walnuts, milk, cocoa, Turkish delight, and a little oil. Now, this is all left from free cozonac. We ate probably 1.5 with some friends, and another one I took when we visited some other friends, and they all enjoyed it. I want to show you the moment I made them, which unfortunately I started filming only after I had made the dough and it had risen. I didn't think anyone would find it interesting to watch me make cozonac until that moment. I realized a bit later that in fact for Paul, my boy, and even for many other people who think they don't know how to bake such a product, it might be an advantage to see that it isn't hard to make at all. It's like playing with Play-Doh. I wish you all to try it if you haven't already, and enjoy the video. What do you think I'm doing here?
Making the dessert.
Dessert cozonac.
Oh yeah.
Right. Let's put the filling.
That looks good.
Spread it out. Stop stealing jelly. Take good enough. Let's add half of this jelly.
Mission accomplished with the sweets.
Stop stealing.
There they go. Can I have one of these?
Yeah. Paul had more than one, so.
I only have 3. That's good.
Paul, stop stealing. We'll not have for the last one.
That's probably like the tastiest roll ever.
Yeah,
That's the best, like,
it will
dessert
be.
ever.
Romanian tradition. Well, here it is.
Now I think the Iranian tradition is like the best.
I know.
If you say that.
Like that. And this is the second one. And we have one more to do.
And again, the same process repeats again and again. Oh, look. Cozonac number 1, cozonac number 2. Ah, looks good. And also cozonac number 3. 3 of them are made. And this required a lot of hard work and love from Dad.
Okay, we need to put them to raise more. And we'll use the oven for this.
Now we're baking them
No,
finally.
not baking them now. They have to raise more.
Oh yeah. The glory
We're just
of
using the light
the
setup
glory
here.
of dessert and the power of dessert. Well, here it is.
After about an hour they look like that, and it's about the time to start the heat in the oven. It smells really nice. Okay. Right. And now the next step is to add some egg on top. Time to put them in.
After the cozonac is ready, I'd really want to go outside and stretch out for a bit.
And now we have to wait for about 40 minutes, I think. We'll see. They look so delicious. Right, I think it's time to turn them around. Oh, they'll be very hot. How can I turn them around fast? Like this one. And that's all for another 25 minutes. And a bit less heat. Right, back to get them on. One, two, and three.
What a banker. And now we just hope to eat them. Mwah. Goodbye.
We had some friends with us and we already ate 1.5. It's just very tasty. Whew. My belly is so full. It's looking brilliant. It took me a few hours to make it, like 4 or 5 hours altogether, but it does work. I hope you enjoyed our experience and see you next time.